How to change iPhone WhatsApp notification sound. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you are in the app, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Settings tab located at the bottom right corner. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage your account, privacy, and app preferences. From this menu, locate and tap on Notifications. Under the Message Notifications section, tap on the Sound option. You will be presented with a list of available alert tones. Scroll through the options and tap on your preferred sound to select it. Once you have made your selection, tap on Save in the top right corner to apply the change. You can repeat the same process to change the sound for group notifications as well. Following these steps, you can easily change the WhatsApp notification sound on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.